Yeah, we're not gonna hurt
Sesame Place, and I'm here with my friend Telly. Telly? Do you all know where Telly is? Have you seen him? Where is he? Oh, come on over here, Telly. It's okay, really. Come on. Do you all know who this is? Shout it out. Telly! Yes, that's right. It's Telly Monster, and he's a little nervous.
Well, because everything looks so spooky.
Yeah.
There's bats and then look, there's fog and spider webs and a witch flying in the moon.
It's fine, Telly. Really, do you know why there are all these bats and spider webs everywhere? Halloween, that's right. It's time for the season of Halloween, and these decorations are just part of the holiday. You know Halloween, Telly? You dressed up as a pirate last year.
I did?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Yeah.
And we went trick-or-treating, and I got lots of... What's that?
I don't know, but it didn't sound very scary. Do you know what that was? Or who that was?
Whoa!
It's me, Abby Daddy. Hi, everybody. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Telly. Did I miss the Halloween story?
No, you are just in time, Abby. Hi, Zoe. I am so excited because I'm going to tell Abby and Zoe and Telly a special Halloween story. Do you all want to hear it too? All right, awesome. But I'm going to need everyone's help doing some dancing and counting and making spooky sounds. Can you all do that? Ooh.
That sounds great.
Alrighty then. Well, is everybody ready?
I think so.
Awesome. This story is called Countdown to Halloween, and it's about someone who really, really loves Halloween. Do you all know who that is?
Yes, it is a story about me. And it begins with my favorite song, the Song of the Count. And I will need some counting help.
I will count.
Count me in.
That's 1, 2 helpers. Oh, how about you out there? 3 helpers, 4 helpers.
All right. Excuse me, Count. Could we start the story now?
Oh, you can count on me.
Oh, I see what you did there.
You know that I am called the Count because I really love to count. Sometimes I sit and count all day, but sometimes I get carried away. I count slowly, getting faster. Once I start in counting, it's very hard to stop. Faster, it is so exciting. I could count forever, count until I drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I love counting whatever the amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's the song of the count. I count the spiders on the wall. I count the cobwebs in the hall. I count the candles on the shelf. When I'm alone, I count myself. I count slowly, getting faster.
experience.
So what happens in the story now?
Oh, you've got me. Jamie is telling this story.
Well, the Count was very sad because he was all alone on Halloween. Oh. I said he was all alone on Halloween. Oh. Can we all make a sad sound for the Count?
Yes, being alone on Halloween would make me very sad. Oh, that's 1 tear, 2 tears,
So the Count decided to go to the pumpkin patch.
3 tears, 4 tears.
Count, I need you to go to the pumpkin patch.
Oh, yes, sorry, I was just getting into the part.
Oh, do you need more pumpkins? Because that's my trick. I can turn the whole lot of you into pumpkins.
That will not be necessary, Abby. Why don't we take a seat and listen to the rest of the story, okay? So, the sad, lonely Count started to count the pumpkins.
1 pumpkin, 2 pumpkins.
When who do you think came along?
Hey, it's Elmo. What's he doing in the pumpkin patch?
I don't know. Let's listen and find out.
Oh, okay.
Elmo, what are you doing here at the pumpkin patch?
Elmo's about to take home a pumpkin. It's Elmo's favorite part of Halloween.
But Elmo, why take the pumpkin when you can stay right here and count them all day?
Oh, Count, there are so many things Elmo can do with pumpkins besides counting them. Listen, Count. Roll that pumpkin down to town. Roll that pumpkin down to town. Roll that pumpkin down to town. It's time for Halloween.
That's one thing you can do with the pumpkin.
Scrape the seeds all out of him. Scrape the seeds all out of him. Scrape the seeds all out of him. It's time for Halloween.
That's 2 things. 2 things Elmo can do with his pumpkin.
Oh yeah, and that's why it's really fun.
Okay, Elmo, tell me.
Cut him out a funny grin. Cut him out a funny grin. Cut him out a funny grin. It's time for Halloween.
Aha, that's 3. I think I will make my pumpkin into a scary fellow. What do we do next, Elmo?
Listen. Put a little candle in. Put a little candle in. Put a little candle in. It's time for Halloween.
That's 4 things.
Good, now that's what I want. Just like the candle flame.
Okay.
Roll that pumpkin down to town. Roll that pumpkin down to town.
Roll.
Roll that pumpkin down to town. It's time for Halloween. Roll that pumpkin down to town. Roll that pumpkin down to town.
Fine.
Roll that pumpkin down to town. It's time for Halloween.
Aha!
Elmo, you are a very good pumpkin roller.
Thanks, Cat. Elmo thinks you're a very good dancer.
Well, thank you, Elmo.
Yes, Elmo and the Count are very good pumpkin rollers, but Halloween isn't just about pumpkins. What else is Halloween about? Shout it out! Did I hear candy? That's right, it's about candy and trick-or-treating and dressing up in fun costumes. I have a great idea. On the count of 3, can everybody shout out what their favorite Halloween costume is? Ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh, great. And I see some of you are dressed up in really cool costumes right now. If you're dressed up in a costume, can I see you stand up and do a little spin so we can see all those awesome costumes? Look at that. Wow. These are awesome, you guys. I love them. But wait. Halloween isn't just about costumes and candy. It's also about fun creatures. Can anybody tell me what these are? That's right, they're bats. Can everybody flap their arms like a bat? Ooh, great job. Now, can anybody tell me what these are? Yes, this is a skeleton. And can everybody wiggle their bones? You wiggling your bones nose and flapping like a bat kind of look very similar. But a skeleton are the bones that are inside each and every one of us. In the next part of our story, the count. Oh. Can everybody call out the count with me together? Okay, ready on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The count!
Oh, yes, sorry.
The count ran into some very funny skeletons.
Oh, and what did the count and the skeletons do?
Did they tickle my funny bones?
Well, let's watch and find out.
Feel your fingers, feel your toes, grab your elbow, pinch your nose, touch your ankle, tap your knees, give your chin a little squeeze. You'll feel something hard inside, and it cannot be denied. What you feel seems hard as stone, and it's something called a bone. Oh, there are bones, 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 bones inside of you. Bones, 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 more than just a few. So many you can't count them, amazing, but it's true. There are bones, 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 bones inside of you. There are bones inside your hand, in your feet to help you stand, in your elbow and your heel. Lots of lovely bones to feel. Though your bones are hard to see, still you have them just like me. They are not outside but in. Yes, they're underneath your skin. Yes, there are bones, 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 bones inside of you. Bones, 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 more than just a few. So many you can't count them, amazing, but it's true. There are bones, 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 bones inside of you.
So, what did you think of our skeletons? Were they scary? Or were they funny?
They were funny.
They were funny. And they were pretty good dancers. Can everybody wiggle their bones just like our skeletons did? Great job, you guys.
So what happens in the story now?
Oh, well, let's review what has happened in our story so far. First, the Count was very sad because he was all alone on Halloween. Oh no! I know. So he decided to go to the pumpkin patch. And over here at the pumpkin patch, his friend Elmo showed up. That's right. And Elmo taught him all the super fun things you can do with pumpkins during Halloween time, like carving silly faces. Can I see everybody's silly jack-o'-lantern face on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Wow, those are really good jack-o'-lantern faces, you guys. Oh, and then we learned the fun things that are associated with Halloween, like bats and trick-or-treating and fun costumes. Oh, and skeletons. And they happen to be very good dancers. But just then, a strange sound came out of nowhere. I wonder what it was.
It's another spooky sound!
Is it a ghost?
I hope not.
Or a goblin?
No, it's just my cell phone.
Oh, okay.
I subscribe to scarytones.com. Hello?
It was Elmo and Zoe calling, and they wanted to tell the Count all about Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's that? Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Let's listen and learn about
Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now don't forget to snap your fingers and count along with us.
When you're down in Transylvania and the night begins to fall, you might get to feeling lonely. If you do, give Elmo a call. Just dial Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah.
In a garden, Transylvania, and the wolves begin to moan. And if it sounds too scary, you can call Elmo on the phone.
Just dial
Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pennsylvania, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Dad,
16, 17.
how many times does Elmo have to tell you that you're supposed to stop counting at 5?
Oh, you just have to tell me 1 time. No, 2. Oh, make it 3 times. Perhaps 4. Possibly 5. 6 would be...
Can't.
7 would be terrific.
So, how does the story end, Jamie?
Yeah, Jamie, what happens to the count?
Dialing Transylvania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Count called up all his Halloween friends.
Well, what kind of Halloween friends?
The first friend came dressed as a ghost. Can I hear everybody's spooky ghost sounds like we practiced earlier? Ooh, great job. The next friend came dressed as a werewolf. Can I hear everybody's werewolf howls? Another friend came dressed as a bat. Can we all call out to the bat together? Where are you at, bat? And the final friend came dressed as the Count himself. And when all his friends showed up, they threw a big Halloween monster dash.
And now for our favorite part.
Cap, let's do that favorite Halloween song of yours.
Go, Count.
I was counting in my castle late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight.
But what?
For my monster friend began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was an instant smash. Let's throw a monster mash. And do the monster mash. 1, 2, 3 zombies were having fun. 4, 5, 6 goblins were running around. And in came Harry and Jack and Wall. The party had just begun. Yes, we did the monster mash. It was an instant smash. Let's throw a monster mash. And do the monster mash. The monster mash. It was an instant smash. Oh, let's throw a monster mash. And do the
Thank you all so much for joining us for Countdown to Halloween. Goodbye, everybody.
That's 1 goodbye, 2 goodbyes.
Don't eat too much candy.
5, that's 3, 4, 5 goodbyes. Yes,
Come back and see us again soon. Come on back here. Bye-bye.